In today's complex world, leaders need more than just technical skills. They need a program that provides the tools, the confidence and the strategies to inspire and get results through people. That's why we created the Proteus Complete Leader Certificate Program, a 12-month, fully flexible leadership journey that you helped to design. So how does it work? You can select 3 of our 5 premium virtual leadership multi-session programs, each delivered over 4 dynamic, interactive sessions. Every program is kicked off with a pre-program launch, and after the 4 virtual training sessions, we follow up with a review session to cement your learning. So why not get the whole team involved? This is a perfect program for middle and senior leadership teams to participate in together. Whether you do the whole program with the same topics or you choose to go different directions and then come back together. This program is most powerful when everyone is on the same page and heading in the same direction. One of the other things that really sets this program apart is the 3 personal coaching sessions you will receive with a Proteus coach. Your coach will work with you to apply the learnings directly to your leadership role and/or your team's needs. Plus, you'll get access to powerful leadership resources, including our leadership podcast, Let's Go, Let's Grow, our Proteus Life magazine, and the option of completing one of our online learning programs at your own pace. It's practical, it's flexible, and it's designed so that you can start anytime, either as an individual leader or as an entire team. So what now? Why not talk to us to see how this program can support individuals and teams within your organisation, giving them the skills and the confidence they need to be exceptional. Start your complete leadership journey immediately. Visit proteusleadership.com to learn more about the Proteus Complete Leader Certificate Program and take your first steps to becoming a complete leader.